Yeah, well, this is a song that Dan made famous with the late great John Belushi. We dedicate this song to the memory of John. I'm going to take you to Saturday Night Live, and if you're going to film anything we do today, make this one count. Here we go.
Don't waste your film though.
Well, good loving, I got in trouble. We get it, you got something. Don't worry, I'm coming. I'm a soul man. Yeah, I'm a soul man. I'm a soul man. Hey, I'm a soul man. Got what I got the hard way. Make it better each and every day. So honey, don't you fret. You ain't seen nothing yet. Now I'm a soul man. I'm a soul man. Black Steve, I'm a soul man.
Soul man, come on, Jake.
Listen, I was brought up on the side street. I learned how to love before I could eat. I was educated on good stuff. When I start loving, baby, just can't stop. I'm a soul man. Yeah, I'm a soul man. I'm a soul man. Yeah, I'm a soul man.
Grab that rope.
Well, grab a rope. I'll pull you in. Give you hope. I'll be your only boyfriend. Yeah. Yeah.
All right, your chance, come on.
I'm a soul man. I'm a soul man. I'm a soul man. Hey, I'm a soul man.
We're the Texas Blues, man. We hope you guys had a good time with us tonight. Stick around, there's a lot of great entertainment left. We're gonna be over there by the car for a little bit. Come on and say hi to us. Do what you feel, keep both feet on the wheel, and don't forget, we're on a mission from Guy. I gotta run and find Jake with the defibrillator. Hit that first track.
That's it, everyone. Blues Brothers.